Hey everyone, I'm Eric. Today I'm going to be presenting for my demo for Agents in Action, a hackathon that Coinbase and Pinata, who is one of the partners, is putting on. So we're going to be talking about Coinbase developer products like X402 and the CDP wallet and an IPFS product from Pinata. So basically the problem that I was trying to solve here is initially creating a chief of staff. So it would do like flights, hotels, travel, can do payments to this agent. And then pretty quickly I ran into a bunch of hurdles with Expedia and Booking.com's APIs. You need to be connecting a Facebook account or Instagram in one case, or proving that you are a travel agent with revenue. So what we hate in this space is centralized gatekeepers and lack of anonymity. What I built is basically a decentralized travel referral agent that autonomously splits crypto payments and posts the referral records to a decentralized storage using IPFS. So it's a trustless, self-funding referral system that respects user privacy while enabling revenue sharing. So it's modular, ready for crypto adoption. And I'm going to start with just showing a couple of the files here. So used cursor heavily in this one. I've done Replit and previous projects. So this is the main Python file. This is the payments file. This is where our agent validates payments and automatically splits revenue between the agent and the referral wallet. Right now it's 80% to the agent, 20% to the referrer. Can be customized in a bunch of different ways, but this creates a fully trustless revenue sharing mechanism with no need for centralized intermediaries. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the actual app. So I did this in Streamlit. Not my best work, to be honest with you, from a UX standpoint. But here's our agent interface. You can plan trips, add a referral wallet. So it's kind of some quick actions. You can check the weather, see what's going on. This is actually connected to my current wallet right now. Um, so I did a couple ones already, but like, let's see, I'm gonna plan a trip to Paris. So plan a trip to Paris. I'm gonna send that to the agent. Um, and so I think that's pretty cool. Like it's pretty standard. It's, OpenAI can kind of put that together. I think um AWS has better audit agents that you can kind of use. So it doesn't really matter the back end. But this was where it gets kind of interesting. So you're actually kind of showing how it can be made to different parts of the recipient wallets. We included some more fake things for this, but just to kind of show how it's going. Um, what I did love is it also posts this stuff to IPFS through Pinata. So I love CDP and Pinata. I'll send that to the agent. And while we're kind of sending that, you can actually, well, I'll just show that real quick. So if you do this on IPFS, CDP and Pinata, you actually go in here, you'll see the newest ones pop up, which is really cool. Just showing how this centralized product of this. The last piece is you can actually show referrals over time. So um, let's see if this one actually works. So no referral records right now, but over time you could see people doing a series of them. Finally, I'm gonna kind of wrap up things here, but this is my GitHub repo is well organized. The README file has all the parts of this project. I actually used Amadeus API for some of the travel components to this and then CDP. So that is it for my submission. Um, Excited to see how this turns out. Had a lot of fun building this. Have some tips for CDP of how they can improve, of course, but love what they're building, and the X402 standard is awesome. So thanks, and until next time.